Hi everyone. Now we will talk about cognitive computing. This topic is one of the most discussed topic in artificial intelligence domain. Is this something special? Why Watson, Azure, and Amazon are talking about it all the time? It's something very different from a typical AI. So to know it in detail, let's try to have a small description of cognitive computing. So, this is an approach to solve human problems through the application of machine learning. Cognitive computing works on the principle of learn, model, and generate hypotheses. For example, voice chat. In voice chat, it takes audio data and it creates some output. Uh, See, you can see this diagram. This audio data is the one input, and this is the our machine, our intelligence, and the output is some response. Response can be visible, like reports in action, behavioral change, dashboard, insight. Invisible, like memory update. So, audio data. Suppose one child listens some melodious song, so this is the input for the brain of a child. What is the output? His behavior is changed, or his action is something different, or right. The same way, like suppose a child sees some visual, some picture, some image, some video. So again, his behavior is changed, or his memory update may be there. So those things are there. When touch, if you touch something, then your behavior change. You can get angry, or you can have some new memory updates. So this is the input and this is the output. So this is called brain of a person, brain of a child. So in the same way, machine tries to do the same thing. It tries to take input as a audio, visual, touch, smell, and all. And what is the output? Some like visual change, like behavioral change, action change, reports, and dashboard. So now think about some complex activity of industry where the dashboard some KPI will be different after this experience. So this is the input, this is the output for our cognitive computing system. And now let's discuss the principle, learn, model, and generate hypothesis. Like if you want to talk about speech to text, like audio, right? Is consumed. Now audio is consumed. Now how machine can make sense of audio? The audio, like suppose particular sound particular sound has a label, like this particular sound means going, particular sound means home, particular sound means this. So it learns from the experiences, it learns from the data, and then it builds a model and then generate the hypothesis. Like it can say that okay, whenever I see this kind of audio, uh, I can assume that this is going or this is home. So this is the way what speech to text happen. And see, that is the idea of cognitive computing. So this can be speech to text, right? Machine. This can be face recognition machine. This can be object detection machine. So this is anything similar to our brain work, human brain work. So you see audio, you see some visual, you listen to some audio, you touch something, you give me something, your behavior response changes. In the same way, machine try to make sense of all this data and make some changes in the system. So we are trying to copy or try to duplicate this human brain, child brain. That's one example. And I think in coming chapters we will discuss about more example. Thank you very much for listening to me.